What's up, y'all? It's your favorite customizer, and we back with another easy, simple. Oh, my bad, y'all can't see me. I'm right here. Look down. Yeah. What up, people? Y'all already know we back with a simple, easy tutorial. I'm not gonna talk too much because it's not required, right? Anyways, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Today we're gonna do a I think I call these the tropical colors. I don't know, I have so many names for them. And then I asked my supporters to help me give a name. So, you know what I'm saying, comment a name. But yeah, y'all, real easy tutorial walkthrough. Everything is in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. Like, comment, subscribe. Acetone, cotton balls. Put the acetone on a cotton ball, and then you get to rubbing the shoe lightly, not too hard. And then remember, acetone is pretty harsh, so be careful. After you prep your shoe with acetone, you prep your shoe with tape. The most important steps in customizing shoes is the prep work. Put the tape on all the areas you don't want paint on, and take your time. These are the colors we will be using: Sunset Yellow, Give Box Blue, and Rio Red. We will start with the light colors first. I chose Rio Red to start with. And since we are doing an ombre, a fade custom, please make sure to do at least 3 coats for each color. 4 would be best, 4 would be better, but hey, at least 3 people.
Hey, you should become a patron and choose your tier wisely. Are you feeling generous, or do you want early access to content? But wait, the GOAT tier comes with exclusive content, tutorials, lessons, unreleased videos that only you have access to. Now select your tier wisely, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.
Now it's time to splatter the paint on the shoe. I'm using toothbrushes. Don't use one you brush your teeth with, unless you want to, if that's how you get down. Now let's splatter each color that we use to airbrush onto the shoe. But do not put the same color on top of the same color, if you get what I mean. And for the moment you have been waiting for, dun dun dun! Hey, now let's vibe to the music. Ooh. If you like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, leave a like. If I helped you, if I didn't help you, leave a like. I'm grateful that you watched. Thank you. Richy Customs out. Peace.